This is Irontrader, and this is Midday Trading. Today we're going to take a look here at the New Zealand dollar versus the US dollar. This video is for informational purposes only, not a recommendation to buy, sell any stock, commodity, ETF. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. All right, here we have the New Zealand dollar. Well, you can see how this thing had just collapsed, okay? Well, you just basically triple topped here and just been just coming down ever since. Now, it tried to rally up here, but just absolutely nothing here. So the best way to look here is on the weekly. You are below all your key SMAs here. That is never good. Okay, so let's look at the downside here. Okay, so far today here, you got 0.58. Okay, so again, we could come all the way down. Let's just look at the downside here. Okay, so you want to look at 0.57 here. What do we have here? You got 0.56. Then we have 0.55, and then this is your big retest right here at 0.50. This just looks very, very bearish here. You got these series here of, you double topped here. You got the series double topped again there, and then you just got a series of lower highs here, all the way from here, just not looking good at all. So again, if this could rally, then what you want to do is look at this 8 SMA right here, okay? So that would be what the target on the upside would be. That'd be 0.59, and then we come up here to 0.60, and then we could 0.61 on your 50-day here. You got 0.62, and then your retest on your price channel here is 0.64, and then your big boy 200-day is sitting at 0.65 here. So, but you got so much resistance here that it just it's really. This just looks lower. So again, if you can rally up here, just watch the key SMAs here all the way up. If you can't, follow these candlesticks down, and then here's your target right here at 0.50. Here, now on your daily chart here, well, exactly the same thing here. So, you're trying to work it. It just isn't happening here. So again, if you get that 0.58 and then maybe to 0.59 here, but you can see how everything is just sloping down, and then you could have a big possible retest up here. But this really has to get going where you make a higher low, something like here. Okay, see where it came sold all the way down here. It rallied up and then put in a higher low here. Then it rallied up higher. But where did it go? Right into that 100 SMA here. Okay, so right now this is looking very, very bearish here. But again, if it happens to reverse here, watch your key SMAs. All right, let's take a look at the US dollar here. Okay, here we have the US dollar. Now, you had a high of 114.77, and then it came all the way down here, and this level here did not hold, made a lower low, but then you can see how it just started rallying just about pretty much right straight up. So now what we have to do is where we're going to go from here, okay? So what you can do here is on a daily here is just follow these candlesticks, okay? So right here you're looking at 1.67. You're looking at 1.0670. We have here you got 106.97, and then you got your retest up there at 107, okay? So that's pretty much where you're going to go here. Now again, if you can break above that, that is this price channel right here. Then we go to the next level. You take this channel right here, which is this candle right there, okay? So you're looking basically 107.99. Then what we do is we look to the bottom of this candle here. You're looking at 109.53, and then we look to the top here. You're looking at 111.27, and then we have 112.53, and then we can come up to this candle 113.14. We come here, you got 113.94, and then your big retest there of 114.77. But that all doesn't mean anything. You have to get above this key price channel sitting at 107.34. That is going to be key. Now, here on the downside, well, on a daily here, you definitely want to watch the 21-day, okay? So you want to watch the 106.32, and then we come over here to your 8 estimate, 106.20, and then what we can do is we can come down to the bottom of this candle here, 105.51, and then right here you have 105.36, and then you have your 50-day at 105.26. 27. But right now, this still is very, very bullish. Even though you had look at this huge run that you have, but you got the sideways action here. Very, very strong on the old dollar here, which is taking a lot of things down here. But your RSIs here still looks very, very good here. Your MACD here is basically looking good here. It's not, you have a crossover here because you sold off here, but it doesn't look like it's just falling off the map kind of a situation here like you had like right on here. Okay, so your RSI here on your weekly, well, you're getting up into that territory there, but nothing major. The key is whole thing is going to be is that price channel at 7.034. Now, again, always watch this 8 SMA here at 105.93. If that's lost, then you have a lot of good support here, pretty much right around here about this 104, 103, 104 area right there. But always watch the 50-day, very, very key. If that is lost, then we can come down here to this 100-day, which lines up very, very nicely with the SMAs here on your weekly chart. All right, that's all I got for you. Thanks for watching.